Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, 左先生 JSB, okay, Jordan, okay, HSI. It's very hard to guess the direction now. Okay, now the direction is bear lah, okay, bearish lah. Okay, China just announced the tariff 84%. Okay, so they are fighting. This is a real trade war already, okay? So every day increase the tariff. So yep, market will still have a lot of uncertainty and low side expected lah. Okay, review 9988 388. Okay, Hong Kong stocks. Okay, hello Anthony, free fall. Where is the support? Okay, indicate S1, S2, R1, R2 for Scientech, MFCB, Eon Credit. Okay, like and share. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, I don't know tonight whether got more people or not, because a lot of people I think injured already. Maybe at rooftop now. Okay, so yeah, let's warm up with the market outlook. Okay, so let's go for the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review. Okay, and your intention, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, Lim KL Lim, can you please repeat your question? Okay, because I'm not able to see from my screen. Okay, maybe your question came in too early. Okay, I only can see your name lah. So yeah, you can repeat your question later. Later I will cover. Okay, so let's warm up first. Okay, market outlook. Okay, so far US side, yeah, not so good lah. Okay, so what we can see, Monday, right? This one, yeah, Monday, US market. Okay, for Dow Jones, they do have a bounce up. Okay, but yesterday you can see they are trying to rebound, but not so successfully. Okay, so the rebound considered failed. Okay, and today, okay, at the moment, Asian session, Europe session, they are more into a bearish sentiment lah. Okay, as you know, the 84% is just announced, I think 2 hours ago lah, or something like that. So at the moment, futures you can see also negative 700 points plus minus lah. Okay, so based on the Dow Jones, we use Monday's low as our important support. Okay, so I will put somewhere around 36 point, sorry, 36400, sorry, 36400s. Okay, 36400s would be our crucial support. Okay, if not able to hold, okay, this could be sell down, rebound. If they break down, we may see more downside. Okay, next level for Dow Jones could be 34k. Okay, so yeah, tonight this level have to hold lah. Okay, at the moment, even though with the such a bad news 84% from China, but the Dow Jones I think not drop that much lah. I think it's still alright. So maybe wait for the market open lah. Still got 1 hour. Okay, how about the S&P? Okay, same as well. Okay, Monday rebound, Tuesday rejected, and now due to the sentiment, they also sell down a bit lah. So for this one, I will use a Monday's low as our important level, which is a 4008 for S&P. Okay, stay above, maybe still got chance to do a bottoming here. If they break below, we may see more downside on the Dow Jones. Okay, we may experience another big crash down. Okay, if they break below 4008 lah. Okay, how about the Nasdaq? Okay, same as well. Monday rebound, Tuesday rejected, and today, okay, still trying to defend now. Okay, I would say they are trying to defend. Okay, so maybe take note on 16300. Okay, 16300 is the crucial level. Okay, all this level is a level that they cannot break down. Okay, if break down, the low side may continue. Okay, the diarrhea diarrhea may continue. Okay, they cannot tahan already. They might continue to dive down further. Okay, they may go down even lower, maybe to 15k or even lower. So for those so-called value investor, maybe it's time for you to slowly do dollar cost averaging. Okay, means you will find a interested level to slowly accumulate the stocks you think they are undervalued. Okay, we don't know where is the bottom one. Okay, so you may just when you see the dip, you just slowly to buy lah. Okay, slowly to accumulate. But if your bullet is limited, then you have to wait lah. Okay, wait for minimum confirmation. Okay, then only entered lah. Okay, so this is a US market. How about the oil price? Oil price susah lah. Already broken down. Okay, ever since they broke below $65, they never come back. Okay, even though on Monday they also no strength. Tuesday, Wednesday also closed very, very badly. Okay, so I think oil may have more downside. Okay, next level I think is a $50 already lah. So hopefully, okay, at least hopefully our RON 97, okay, maybe the price can drop a little bit more lah. So take note on $50 for the oil price lah. Okay, this is a WTI. Okay, how about the gold price? Okay, gold price. Okay, finally they remember they are the safe havens. Okay, at the moment they rebounded. Okay, they recover back above 3,000s. Okay, so for gold price, so long the price above 3,000s, I think the bull may resume. Okay, so because previously they was in a retracing or in a profit taking mood. Okay, so even yesterday also ugly lah, but today they maybe due to the uncertainty, they came back to become a safe havens. So long they stay above 3,000, I think gold still got chance to continue shine. Okay, so how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin not so good lah. Okay, Monday rebound. Okay, tapi they resisted by 80,000. Tuesday resisted, no strength. Okay, today at the moment is still still don't know what they want to do. Okay, they are supposedly to be a part of the so-called safe havens lah, because they are like so-called digital goals. Okay, but all this while the sentiment is quite follow US market. Okay, but today they seems like not really follow. So we see lah, maybe they will go sideways or they will go down to test a 70K support. Okay, how about Ethereum? Okay, cryptocurrency. Okay, hold on. Load a bit slow. Okay, sometimes I don't know why. Okay, so for the Ethereum, also no good lah. Break below 1,005 already. So I think most importantly, you need to focus on the Bitcoin lah. If Bitcoin didn't come back, I think Ethereum, all other altcoins are also not able to come back. And how about our FBM KLCI 1,004? Okay, wow. If you see today points they drop like 42 points wow, deep discount. So okay, what we can see from our FBM KLCI. Okay, actually ever since last year August onwards our market started to turn into downtrend. Okay, you can see this is a downtrend channel. So on Monday we already break below the downtrend channel. So unfortunately if they break below downtrend channel, they might continue to dive down. Okay, Tuesday neutral and today continue to break down. Okay, they even break below one of the crucial level, which is a 1433, or we can say 1430 lah. Okay, this level also break already lah. So today closing is 1,004. So yeah, and also it's quite depending on the US market already lah. If tonight they are able to close slightly bearish or close green, okay, then tomorrow our market still got chance to rebound. Okay, if tonight you see the US market continue to negative 1,000 points or even lower, okay, means tomorrow morning you wake up and see lah. If continue negative 700 points also very bad already. 700 points or 1,000 points, okay, then we may expect our KLCI to dive down further. Okay, so where is their next stop? 1370, 1355. Okay, if this level lucky breakdown, we only review again now. Okay, by the time maybe 1,002 plus, but I don't want to see so far yet. Okay, this was created back in MCO time. Okay, 2020 March. So we KIV on this level first. Okay, this is a support back in the 2022 October, 2023 June. Okay, somewhere around 1370. Okay, take note this level first. So yep, market is still very bad. So maybe is a opportunity for those value investor lah, right? Okay, today question not so much so yeah, at least share around lah, share around at least during market panic we still got viewers willing to come in to listen and see any opportunity lah. Okay, so first one, JSB. Okay, ada volume. Tapi this counters take note this counter is I would say is a downtrending counters. Okay, so yeah, back in 2022, 2023, yeah, they was building up a so-called uptrend. So after that, they washed down strongly. Okay, every rebound is a further sell down. Every rebound is a further sell down. So now they go sideways already. So I expect even they rebound also might continue sell down. Okay, because this is what happened back in the whole 2024. They also rebound, sell down, rebound, sell down. Okay, at the moment, I noticed they do have some rebound signal okay, especially today volume ada. Okay, but I won't expect they go up too much. Okay, so yeah, where is their possible resistance? Okay, so let's see. So I am looking at here. Okay, because this was a support back then, now turn into resistance. Okay, and also in conjunction with the so-called 200 MAs lah. So if I want to put another minor support, minor resistance, I will put at the 520. Okay, because back then 520 they do hit 520 and rejected down. Okay, now maybe somehow you need to respect here lah. So I would say the stronger one would be 520 and 540. Okay, this is a strong resistance. Okay, I expect today ada momentum, ada volumes. Okay, so what I expect is maybe just a bounce up. Okay, maybe just a bounce up to test a 200 MAs. Okay, but the overall trend very badly. HSI forgotten this country. Okay, HSI I would say no good lah. Okay, no good lah. Okay, back in Monday I do commented they are like trying to defend the 200 MAs which is a 19900. Okay, but you can see yesterday and even today they macam not able to get recovered above 1990. Okay, because also in part of the war this country. So okay, for them to make a comeback, they need to have a firm comeback above 1990. Okay, then maybe you can look for a potential upside to maybe fill the gap here lah. Okay, but on the other hand, okay, if they keep on get resisted by 19900, I would say I will see more bearishness than the bull. Okay, so yeah, you can say this week market is distorted or manipulated by the tariff things lah. Okay, so once everything get normal, I think they will go back to where they belongs lah. Okay, now it's more on the external factor lah. Okay, so 1990 is an important resistance for them. Okay, if they can go back, then will be good lah. Okay, if 1990 unable to hold, take note here, 18850 would be your next support. Okay, this level if lagi breakdown 17 something already. Okay, maybe next week story already lah. Okay, if we base on the technical point of view, I would say down is stronger than up. Okay, I would say downside is much stronger. Okay, so next one, tomorrow market will lao sai. Okay, so what I see now at the moment, okay, even though with the China fight back, at the moment the futures for US market macam they not really super bearish kind of thing I think they are not like gap down, continue to sell down. Okay, so the futures I feel is still alright at the moment, but we still need to wait for 9:30 the US market open. then and the closing. Okay, I want to see how the US market digests this news. Okay, if market think this is a bad news, I think they will continue to drop down, and tomorrow we will see our KLCI continue to gap down and continue to drop lah. So tentatively, I would say maybe market already expected this lah. So they are bearish, but not until super bearish at the moment. Okay, still got time for them to digest lah. Maybe. Okay, how about the let's go to the Hong Kong stocks 99888. Today closing still alright for this 9988. They open gap down, okay? Tapi they managed to close high. And if you notice these 3 days the volume looks like still alright, okay? Seems like somebody trying to defend this level. So for 9988, I would say 94, 9150. Okay, if the price able to stay above, I would say they still ada hope lah. Okay, still ada hope. Okay, how about the 388 Hong Kong Exchange? Okay, they also retest a 200 days moving averages, even though they have a big gap down. So take note on the one of the crucial support lah, 285. Stay above 285 is still alright. Okay, if based on the cash market, I mean the market lah, what I see these two counters, the closing wasn't that bad lah. Okay, maybe because they closed earlier before the news come out. Okay, so yeah, take note on the low part lah. Stay above, I think is still alright. Okay, so 3-4. Okay, Sci-Tech, MFCB, Eon Credit. Wah, susah this one. This one lagi breakdown. Sci-Tech break below 330 already. So 330 turn into resistance. Okay, for their next support, yeah, we need to scroll back already. Wow, under 3 ringgit. Okay, take note. First support, 318. Second support, 3 ringgit. I think 3 ringgit is one of the strong and important level for them. Okay, so this is a level back in 2022 until 2023. Okay, they almost sideways for a year already here. Okay, so this would be the S2 already lah, 3 ringgit. Okay, S1 would be 318. Okay, R1 330. Okay, R2 we can use 340 first, then only 358. Okay, so this one is a Sci-Tech. Okay, how about the MFCB? Wow, also tak cantik lah this one. Okay, so they also open gap down lah. So at the moment, the gap we can use as the resistance lah. Okay, so take note on 390, 395 would be your resistance. Okay, support. Okay, what we can see these few days, they are trying to defend what? 369. Okay, 369 would be your immediate support. Tapi if they break down, more downside lah. Next level, maybe 340 already. Okay, 340, 320, 3 ringgit would be your S2, S3, S4. Okay, how about the Eon Credit? Wah, also tak cantik. Okay, Eon Credit also Monday open gap down, close low. Tuesday neutral, today open gap up, tapi close low. Okay, lagi weak. Okay, for support point of view, 565, 550 is your one of the support zone lah. Okay, take note 565, 550. And how about your next support? 535. Okay, this is a Eon Credit, and your resistance 590, 6 ringgit. Weak lah. Okay, overall is weak lah. Okay, so LPI. LPI, yeah, they also kena open gap down. Okay, trend point of view, I would say they are still in uptrend lah. Okay, only recently maybe also affected by the market sentiment. So they have some, I would say it's more on retracement or correction mood lah. Okay, so I would say still alright. Here also they have a gap here lah, 13 ringgit. Okay, so S1, S2, I would say I will use here as your 1330 as your S1, 1308 as your S2. Okay, because this is a gap lah. Okay, if happen they break down, important level 1250. Okay, so how about the MPI? Okay, Lim KL Lim, I saw your question already. Oh, Aisha. Okay, long time no see ah. Oh, miss you lo. Where you hilang ah? Okay, so MPI susah lah sudah break below 170. Okay, let me look back on the previous question ah. Okay, MPI EP ah. Macam susah leh, lagi break leh. Okay, I think still got chance to get at lower price maybe. Okay. 12 ringgit lah minimum minimum we see any chance. Okay, any chance for them to visit 12 ringgit. Okay, 12 ringgit will be your first support, and next support will be 8 ringgit already. So I would say this is your S1, S2 lah. Oh, S1, S2. Okay, how about the DNO? DNO, okay, let's see. Sama juga lah. Okay, break 115 already. Okay, next level 1 ringgit lah for DNO. And I think, okay, these counters you can see lah. Prior the tariff, they already in a downtrend. So when the market lagi bad, they lagi drop lah. So turn on 1 ringgit first. Okay, if they continue to break down, maybe still got more downside to maybe 915 or 80 cents also possible. Okay, so overall is, I would say, weak lah. Okay, how about the CIMB? Okay, CIMB as mentioned before already, right? So previously they do have a so-called triple top. Okay, not so alike, but I can say this is a so-called topish already lah. Topish, then ever since they break below 770, not nice already. Okay, break 200 MAs, lagi tak cantik. Okay, bounce from 680, tapi not able to recover, kena resisted. Okay, open gap down, close low. Yesterday neutral, today open gap down, close low. Okay, so CIMB is still very weak. Okay, if your bullet is unlimited one, yeah, of course you can plan along the way lah. But if your bullet is limited, maybe you only can shoot one time only. Okay, maybe you only got 6,000 only. Then wait loh. Okay, for limited bullet, maybe you need to have a patient you need to wait for some more confirmation signal. Then you only shoot your bullet. Okay, unless you have a unlimited fund. Okay, then of course 6 to 8 is your first support, and then maybe 6 ringgit, 550, 5 ringgit, then you can slowly add on That's why people say rich one can be richer, poor one become poorer. Okay, because you know lah, our fund is limited, we cannot keep on buying Okay, we need to aim lah. Okay, so we don't know how low they can go yet. Okay, so probably, yeah, if the sentiment continue to sell down, they could go as low as 5 ringgit, 450, 4 ringgit also possible. Okay, so yeah, now at the moment we need to monitor only lah. Okay, what I can say is monitor all this level. Okay, see any chance, and also need to wait for the market sentiment turn better. Then the investor only dare to come in right? So at the moment, of course they also hit the support lah, 6 to 8. Maybe they have a short term rebound. Okay, rebound. If nobody want to buy the stocks already, they might continue to sell down. Okay, this is how the market works lah. Okay, how about the VTROX? VTROX also lah, no strength at all. Monday kena gap down. Okay, at the moment they found their immediate support is at the 230 level. Okay, but overall VTROX is weak lah. Okay, 2021. 2021 was their peak. Then 2024 June, okay, come back, tapi no strength. Okay, this year January also no strength, continue to dive down. So turn out 230 and 2 ringgit is your S1, S2 lah. Okay, if speaking about the chances, yeah, you can try with your cut loss below 230. Okay, below 230, tak cantik lah. Okay, Greatech open gap down, tak cantik. Tuesday also open gap up tapi close low. Okay, today another gap down. Okay, Greatech no chance lah. Okay, susah loh, susah. Okay, next level maybe is a 1 ringgit level or even lower. Okay, so do nothing is better lah. Huh? Don't hurt. Okay, in this war, okay, in this trade war, most importantly is protect your capital. Okay, so when everything turns better, at least you got the fun to get into the market. Okay, so for this Almas also tak cantik lah. As you can see, they also form a not so gaya punya double top or head and shoulder or maybe a bit cacat lah, this one. Okay, but at least you can see this is a so-called mountain formation lah. Okay, so they also break down already lah. Okay, tak cantik lah. So you can see the recent rebound is cantik tapi no strength. Okay, they stop here only. Okay, then they break down. Then kena affected lah, break down. 670 is a crucial level. They also break down. Today another sell down. So based on here, even they can go up. You need to see whether they can recover above or not. Okay, if not, here will turn into their resistance. And the next support would be 430. Okay, 420, 435. Wait. 440, 415. Okay, this will be their next support already. So it's still very weak. Okay, unfortunately lah. Okay, how about the EG? EG also lah. Okay, no need trade war lah. Before that, they also break down already. Okay, beginning of March, they already broken down below 200 MAs. Okay, rebounded in 17th of March. They do rebounded, but yeah, kena sell down already lah. So now continue to dive down, and they back to one of their crucial support, which was a previous rebound level, 170. Okay, if 170 continue to break down, okay, you may see 150 or even lower. So this is a mother share lah. So mother and the son should be about the same lah. Let me see. Yeah, sometimes the how to say sometimes the okay, I assume it's a WD. Yeah, sama lah, sudah habis lah at the moment. The mother tak boleh the son pun sama punya, okay? Family, okay? Like the Fast and Furious family, semua kena together. Okay, so this one, yeah, you need to wait for the mother recover lah. Otherwise, I think the son could go as low as maybe 250 or even lower. Okay, family. Okay, how about the UUE? Wah, ini habis. Okay, this one new counters, but they now I see they form a double top lah. Okay, so yeah, I think previous week I still praised them that they do try to defend the 60 cents level macam okay punya tapi very disappointing lah. Continue to dive down. So this one tentatively no hope yet. Okay, I haven't seen any hope lah. Okay, so if entered at the higher price and don't want cut loss, what we can do is we hope only. Okay, only can hope for them to make a comeback. Okay, they also break below 50 cents. So for me, still very ugly. Okay, Genting Malaysia. US market rebound sikit just now 700 points negative now rebounded up to negative 300 points you can see the market is quite and is so volatile. Okay, and now the how to say the chart is driven by the news lah. Okay, so I still need to see a notification what news now. Okay, so Genting Malaysia also weak and they already broken down below 160 lah. So today closing 148. Okay, so their next destination, 听了啦 144 144. Okay, 144, when was that? Okay, during the MCO time, their bottom was 144, 14. Oh, okay. So take note here as the immediate support lah. Okay, we see any chance to bounce from there. Yeah, of course the price will be different because due to the dividend and the price adjusted. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, during MCO time I get in at the price of, if not mistaken is a 2 ringgit level lah. Okay, so I think now is after the adjusted all now become a 140 lah. Okay, if not mistaken lah. Tapi I also sudah cabut already lah. Okay, yeah, I thought can hold forever tapi I see the trend tak boleh already lah. Okay, so JHM kena jam already lah. Okay, open gap down. 360 also break. Okay, continue to dive. Okay, so now the level is a 295 would be your immediate support. And next level, wow, 1 something okay, no lah, this one. JHM no lah. Okay, no first. Okay, reason why, okay? Because now okay, now this market, okay, these stocks they drop not only because of the tariff, okay? Before the tariff, they already in the downtrend. Okay, I feel not worth lah. Okay, rather than why not you find a stocks that they have been in the uptrend. Okay, they gonna sell down due to the tariff. Okay, and in fact, this company is not affected by the tariff. Okay, just because of the market sentiment. Okay, they dump them. Okay, this kind of counters could be the one to recover quickly. Okay, once everything is clear lah, because it's not their matter also right? Just people sell them because of the market sentiment no good. Okay, external factor. And this one you see all this while they already in a downtrend now. So when the market bad, they continue to bad. But when the market good, doesn't mean that they will come back. Okay, right? So how about the D next? The next also tak cantik lah. 270 break, 240 break. Okay, next level, 20 cents. Okay, so yeah, tak cantik lah. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me see my position. Okay, still cold. Okay, so Maybank. Maybank tak cantik Okay, what happened? Double top breakdown lah. Okay, what we can see on the Maybank. Okay, Maybank is a good counter, right? Everyone know dividend what like that. Okay, today consider is the first day they break below 200 MAs since 2020 November. Okay, so if we look back back in the 2018 okay, ever since they break below 200 MAs they will have some downtrend for about 1 or 2 years like that After that they also come back. Okay, after that they only come back. But in the long run, okay, if you look into the bigger pictures, okay, in long run, this counter is long-term uptrending lah. Okay, now they are giving you a chance to buy at cheaper price lah. So what we can see on here, they forming a double top already. Okay, double top breakdown. Okay, based on this formation breakdown, I think they might have more downside. Okay, so based on double top target I agak-agak see double top. If I do the agak-agak punya price projection okay, if based on the double top breakdown, the projection should be somewhere around 89 something lah. Okay, I round out for you, become 9 ringgit lah. Okay, so based on the pattern, next level is a 9 ringgit level unless they can recover back above 970 lah. Okay, if they can close above 970 by end of this week, okay, maybe we may see Okay, maybe they got a chance to go back to 10 ringgit or recover back. Okay, so if they remain like this, okay, we may see more downside. Okay, 9 ringgit would be the first support. Okay, if they break down, we may see 850 or 8 ringgit. So yeah, slowly lah. Okay, no hurry. Papi Bank. Wow, Dow Jones rebounding. Okay, 200 points negative now. Okay, just now 700s. Okay, so how is the Papi Bank? Okay, Papi Bank also break below 200 MAs lah, unfortunately lah. So you can see this, okay, they break down these 3 days. Okay, tapi before that actually they are still in the uptrend. Okay, would it be meaning that, okay, if everything go back to normal, they might recover? Okay, I don't know lah, just speculation lah. So Papi Bank break down the 420 already lah. Next level 4 ringgit is a psychology level. Okay, so next level is okay, after 8 ringgit, after 4 ringgit is 380 already. Okay, so banking day also has been sideways. I mean for Papi Bank, and they has been sideways here for quite many months. Okay, then they break down 420. So this also same story. If by end of this week they are able to recover back above 420, then will be good. Okay, maybe they will come back lah. Tapi if they just hit and resisted, we may see more downside, maybe 4 ringgit or 380 level. Okay, so CMB we covered already. Bank counters badly hit. Okay, usually based on my experience usually during a market, so-called market crash or market uncertainty okay, the first sector to recover usually is bank counters. Okay, usually is a finance counters. Okay, they will be a first sector to recover. Then other sector baru slowly follow lah. Okay, if bank not recovered, other sector are hardly recovered lah. Okay, unless they have a different story or good story. Okay, then yeah. Otherwise, I think bank will be the first one. So yeah, maybe you can monitor banking first. Okay, if you see they have a strong rebound, then at least you know, okay, market is about to come back. Okay, in nature still ugly, no good. Okay, rebound, no strength. Okay, today closing slightly bullish, tapi for me, nobody. Okay, for me, this counter, I see nobody inside already lah. Okay, even yes, here all they also cabut already. Most likely they might continue sideways lah. But if you still interested, okay, you still die, you want discounted tenor on 150 cannot break lah. Stay above still okay. Like people ask you to break out with them already like break out with the girl you still don't want, then okay lah, you see low. Let her hurt your heart. Okay, hurt your heart. Okay, so Cellcon not able to recover back these I mean they previously have a breakout lah tapi they gonna press down again. So yeah, maybe I can say one of the positive side is they came back to retest a support 280. So far they yet to break down lah. So maybe this is a positive side. So long above 280, maybe okay. Okay, hold on. Let me close my position. Just now I long some counters. Okay. Now I can close my. Okay. Next one. Okay, if compared in nature and Cellcon, I would say Cellcon may give you better chance. Okay. And in nature, they need super good news come back lah. Okay, or I can say what they need the operator come back. Okay, maybe the operator already in holiday. Okay, so Amada is oil related, right? And just now you know the oil price is very bad, right? The oil price is very bad. So they also affected lah, right? So they also break below 460 already. Okay, so salah. Okay, now their immediate support 415. Okay, if the oil price don't want to recover okay, here we can see oil price if don't want recover susah a bit Okay, so yeah, good news is maybe our RON 97 cheaper 10 cent or not 10 cent okay, our government sting okay, maybe 1 cent 2 cent maybe Okay, 415 is your immediate support. If they continue to break down, 360 already. Okay, so not so good lah. Okay, tofu DNO worth to buy or not? Worth not so worth Okay, technical point of view technical point of view of course no lah. Okay, but you need to read back to the fundamental whether they worth the value or not. Okay, so based on what I see here, tofu. Okay, if you want to fight on Okay, what I see on here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they do have some support here lah. 895. Volume wise, I would say okay, boleh tahan. Okay, if you want to fight, yeah, you need to have a stop loss lah. I will put my stop loss 885. Okay, if next few days they can get supported, I think for the short term rebound, yes, maybe got opportunity. Okay, but if they break below, sorry lah, touch and already, they might continue to sell down. Okay, if they break this level, okay, why this level? Okay, look back when 2020 March. Okay, MCO time, they rebounded from here. So this level is a crucial level. If they break, see more downside lah. Maybe let me see. If they break down, their next support could be 665 already low. Okay, so this one you need cut loss lah. If they're not able to sustain. Okay, if they are able to sustain, I see the most lah. Just bounce up to maybe fill the gap 103 or 107. Okay, just like short term rebound like that only lah. Okay, how about DNO? Okay, DNO worth or not? I still haven't seen any reason. And also these counters you can see since 2022 they already downtrend until today Okay, so even today lagi worse, they break below 115. So if compared I would say maybe tofu got a little bit chance. Okay, but DNO susah a bit. Okay, not so convinced At least I won't take the risk Okay, I would say. How about the HT Padu? Okay, HT Padu recover back above 2 ringgit. Yeah, which is good for them. Okay, as they have sold down for so many days. Finally, okay, yesterday, today recovered above 2 ringgit. So these counters stay above 2 ringgit, maybe still got chance to bounce up further, probably to 250 or 260 level, 250 to 68 level. Okay, how about RHB? Okay, or this one RHB I would say based on the trend point of view they are still bullish compared to Maybank CIMB CIMB already in a downtrend Okay, Maybank today first day. Okay, and Bobby Bank also break down already. But these counters RHB until today they are still above 200 MAs I would say the strength the performance looks okay from the price point they looks better than other banking Okay, yeah, of course they also kena affected, kena sell down. Tapi they yet to break down here So take note on 6 ringgit 588. Okay, this is a crucial support for them. Okay, if they come back and get supported, yeah, they may make a comeback, a strong comeback easier, okay, than other banks lah. Okay, based on what I see here lah. Okay, I would say yeah, and they also affected. You can see before Monday the price is still at the peak Okay, they also affected due to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, kena sell down only. Okay, if the things settle already I think they will come back strongly lah. Okay, if not they might continue drop lah. Okay, so 10 of 588 above 588 I am still quite Okay, I'm still positive with them lah. Okay, I would say. Okay, masing lah. Okay, susah lah ini break already. Okay, masing here already broken down below 200 MAs. No strength, no strength. Okay, you can see they hit the floor, rebound, no strength, hit the floor again, rebound, no strength, continue to break down. So this one, still got more downside lah. Okay, what I see lah. Okay, tapi yeah, of course, 1 ringgit is the psychology level. Okay, if they break down 830 already, this one. So weak. Okay, is very weak. Okay. Dialogue. Wah, lagi break. Okay. Dialogue. Okay lah, before that they already downtrend, right? So Monday gap down, close low, Tuesday neutral, today another close low. Okay, so still very weak. Okay, where they are going? Okay, they are going back to wow. Or even 2020 COVID time they also not that low. They are going back to the 10 years back punya level 2014. Okay, so take note 108 is your immediate support. Okay, still very weak, still very weak. Okay, tofu we covered already, so we go for the YTL. 一条龙. Okay, YTL already broken down below 190 lah, already broken down below 176. Okay, if you round out for them, 175 would be, yeah, they also broken down below 175 already. Okay, closing 173. So these counters, I already mentioned quite some time that the trends to the habis, okay, when they break below 200 MAs, when they resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, so here is a place, okay, you need to reduce your size or you can start to liquidate. Okay, here also a confirmation that they are not willing to go up higher already. Okay, so now they come back to here. I can say, okay, if by this week they're not able to recover back above 175, next level 150 already lah. Okay, if can recover above, maybe still got a little bit hope. Otherwise, susah for them lah. Okay, Supermax. Okay, Supermax. If speaking about the chances, yes, they have. Okay, due to what? Today they have a breakout lah. Okay, so we can see before that, actually they already have volumes. Okay, especially yesterday they also have volumes. And today they do a breakout above 80 cents. Okay, the only concern is what happened today. Okay, they macam break out to take profit only. Okay, so let's see on the maybe I see on 50-minute charts I can see anything or not. Wednesday open gap up, close low, tapi the price still managed to go up lah. So I consider here as a buyer is here lah. Okay, so 230 started to sell down. 245, they have support somewhere around 805. Okay, for this Supermax, I would say, there are a probability that somebody bought at the low. Okay, and the news seems like benefited to Malaysia glove manufacturing lah. So maybe they sell on news. Okay, also possible. Okay, because today closing looks like buyer and seller is fighting at here. Okay, but the chances I would say still there. Okay, and this one I will put 790 as my last defense. Meaning if the price stay above 790, okay, they are the chance to make a comeback. Means the buyer is win lah. Okay, but if they close below means yeah, they memang buy on rumors, sell on news. Okay, they already take profit already. Okay, so 790 must. Oh, you can see the US market lah. Nasdaq turned green already. Okay, the Dow Jones negative 200 only. Okay, but we still got 10 minutes for the market to open. Okay, Padini downtrend Okay, since when? 2023. Okay, 2023 November. Okay. Well, if you look at the bigger pictures, okay, Padini was okay back in 2018. Okay. I think before 2018, only have few brands in Malaysia lah, right? So after 2018, maybe what Uniqlo, H&M come back. Okay, this one dropped already. So you can see back in 2021, they have a uptrend, right? But you can see the peak is not able to go up back to the 2018 punya peak. Okay, and they started to turn down already. So based on the bigger time frame, this one is from maybe 2012 until 2025. You can see the big pictures. They are like not that strong, low. Okay, not that strong. Okay, so yeah, let's zoom in. Okay, if we zoom in, you can see okay, actually from smaller trend 2021 until 2023 still okay. At least they have a uptrend. But after 2023, they started to turn down trend. Okay, so you can see they keep on resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, recently rebound also no strength. Okay, rebounded to 200 MAs gonna sell down. So Padini weak lah. Okay, I would say weak. Okay, Aisha. Okay, long time no hear. Okay, so my EG. Okay, let's see how it's going. Jialat. Ay, susah lah this one. Okay, my EG also affected due to Monday lah. Okay, kena distorted already. Okay, before Monday, I would say they are more into sideways. Okay, but Monday, everyone know what happened lah, right? They also kena rejected. I mean, kena strong sell down. Okay, Tuesday, what we can see on my EG, they open gap up. Okay, so today also neutral. So for me, fightable lah. Fightable. Okay, just that this sell down could be due to the external factor lah. Okay, based on what I see. At least these 2 days they do try to support and some more they have volumes come in. Okay, so I will say yeah, even though technical point of view is ugly, okay, technical point of view is no good already. But based on the volume and what I think is they still have a little bit hope. Okay, just that you need to suffer lah. You need to suffer the drawdown. Okay, if you look back, looks quite similar like what happened back in the 5th of August. Okay, they also have a gap down, a high volume sell down, but you can see the next few days they have a bullish candle. Volume wise also not too bad. Okay, so this one 5th of August, if not mistaken, is I forgot what news already lah. Market kena fearful for 1 day only. Then after that stabilize. Okay, they continue their job already lah. Continue sideways. So this one I think also similar. Okay, just that this time is more serious because the price also below 200 MAs. Okay, open back the lines. We can see the support is a 685 lah. So maybe I will put some hope for them. Okay, 685. Stay above, still alright. Okay, ada chance. Just that you need to wait only lah. Okay, tapi if they break below sorry memang very ugly already. Means they also give out to defend the stock price already. Okay, they just let it be lah. Okay, how about the TTVHB? Okay, TTVHB, as I mentioned many times before, 200 MAs, no matter how, take profit. Partial profit, also no problem. Second, 655, if they break down, not nice already. Okay, so we can see they follow with a gap down things. Okay, now they seems like they found a minimum support lah, 480. Okay, last chance already. Okay, break below, we may see more downside. But I would say your probability or your chances wouldn't be that great lah. 还好 only. Opstar sudah susah lah. Okay, 470 also give out already. Today open gap down. So 10.40 cents is your immediate support. Okay, P Trans, Perak Transit. Okay. Oh, surprise, the price still gets supported quite well. 70 cents. Okay, cannot break. Stay above. Okay lah. Stay above. Okay. GFM. Girlfriend Malaysia. Okay. Also double A lah. Break down already. Okay, so 218 break. 20 cent break. Okay, ini girlfriend double A already. Okay. But actually actually last year August they already broken down below 200 MAs tak cantik already lah. Okay, 20 cents also break down already. So next level 155 130. So this one no. Okay. 155 130 would be your S1 S2. Okay, Maybank Dialog we covered. Okay, so we covered then we skip lah otherwise will take over time. Okay, this SCG Berhad also tak cantik, but maybe you can argue lah due to the market sentiment. Okay, they break down. Okay, Friday they are still alright because they are still above 1 ringgit. Okay, but technical point of view, yeah, we still need to respect lah. Since they break 1 ringgit, since they break 950, so yeah, unless they recover back above 1 ringgit, they only consider safe. Otherwise, I would say, they may continue to drop further, maybe to 790 or even lower. Okay, tak berapa cantik already. Okay, news really say wrong 97 is 5 cents cheaper. But it's still expensive. I think still need to pay about 50% more, right? I think 3 ringgit plus. So once a while trade your car better lah. Okay, return tak cantik lah. Breakdown 550, breakdown 50 cents, breakdown 475. Okay, closing 465. Okay, so this return already in the downtrend, so I think they might have more downside lah, probably to 385 or 350 level. Okay, this one downtrend, double A. Okay, Genting Malaysia settle already. We covered. We go for the KGB. Let's go. KGB juga tak boleh lah. Okay, KGB already broken down below 3 ringgit. Okay, one of the crucial level lah, breakdown already tak cantik. Okay, now today they also break down to 65 lah. So for me also tak berapa cantik already lah. Okay. For this one, susah lah, semua break. For me, not nice already lah. Okay, 275 lah, they break down already. So 260 is your immediate support. If they continue break, we may see more downside, maybe to 240 already. So this one also hope that by end of this week they can recover back above 275 lah. Then ada sikit hope. Otherwise no. Okay. Technically, yeah, ugly lah. Okay. Bear in control. Okay, how about the Inari? Also tak cantik lah. 175 break, 150 break. Today closing 145. Zooming out, yeah, all tak cantik lah. Next level 107 already. So still got more downside lah. I haven't seen any strong comeback yet. Okay, how about the Penta? I think semua lebih kurang. Rebound, no strength, continue sell down, break 2 ringgit. Okay, and we need to refer back to 2020 MCO punya support lah. Okay, 158 lah. Okay, I yet to see any rebound signal. Okay, what we can refer back is 5 years back. Okay, yeah, we wouldn't know where is the bottom. Okay, when the fearful event. Okay, this is back in 2020 March. Okay, we don't know where is the bottom also. Okay, we don't know. We wouldn't know. Okay, 158 is the bottom for Penta. Okay, maybe we need to see something like, okay, they rebound 3 days already, volume macam okay, then maybe only entered. Okay, at least we need to see some more solid signal lah. Okay, at least we can see, okay, they touch the support, they do try to bounce out, volume improve, maybe kind of this kind of signal lah. Okay, this would be safer. Okay, otherwise we can see everyday sell down. Okay, we don't know where is the low lah. Okay, we still don't know where is the low. They are still everyday sell down. Okay, so yeah, I will prefer wait for something like this. Okay, at least I can see the selling pressure starts to slow down. They may have some bounce up, but this one bounce until 20 MA only lah, continue to sell down. So now you can see every day almost is a seller only. So yeah, we still need to wait patiently for the buyer to come back lah. Okay, this time they wash all the margin player. If those use a margin one kena margin call. Okay, OSK break 200 MAs, break 160 already. Okay, this one also quite, I would say they are quite innocent because on Friday they are still alright punya. Okay, but Monday open gap down. Okay, today another gap down. Okay, so this one thinner on 148, but at least before that the trend is uptrending. Okay, they are just affected by the external factor. So maybe when everything goes back normal, maybe they might come back lah. Okay. So how about the MMAG? Okay, this is penny stocks. Was a penny stocks until they do a consolidation, right? So this one neutral lah. Okay, even though they have attempt to sell down on 24th of the March, okay, tapi the price still able to sustain. Okay, the operator also not bad lah. At least they defend the price. So 60 cents will be your immediate support lah. Stay above is still alright. You can see Dow Jones now recovered Just now when we started our live the futures negative 700, 800 now negative 100 only Okay, now market open already lah. Okay, so MMAG and Lee SK. Okay, Lee Siu Kiat. Okay, the matches until now I still not afford to buy. Okay, this one neutral Okay, tapi volume wise we can see they okay lah. Tapi how to say this one illiquid I would say this counter is illiquid. They are more on, maybe I can say they are more on sideways lah. Nothing much interesting. Okay, but they not really affected by the how to say news lah. Okay, maybe due to illiquid lah. Not many people inside. So yeah, let them sideways. Okay, how about the SSB8? Okay, SCG berhad we covered lah. SSB8 already broken down 200 MAs. Broken down below 425. Okay, so now they are like, how to say they are not entire bearish. Okay, but not until say, I would say they are not that bearish, but not until very bullish kind of thing. Okay, I would say they are more on sideways lah. Okay, based on here. Okay, at least on Monday they open gap down, tapi they managed to close at the so-called hammer-like candle. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday neutral. So I would say this one, or maybe they might continue sideways. Okay, best if they can go back above 460 lah, then would be good for them. Okay, how about the Genting? Genting, okay, at the support, 3 ringgit. Okay, S1, okay, S1, 3 ringgit. Okay, MCO time no. This one is a November 2020. If look back, okay, MCO time, their bottom was somewhere around 250 current price about 3 ringgit only lah. Okay, let me zoom in and see what happened here. Yeah, they have a gap out on November 2020. So the gap support would be a 291287. Okay, but this 3 days drop, I would say they are not that bearish looking lah. Okay, still acceptable. Okay, you see other stocks are drop like waterfall or what. This one drop, I would say still alright. Okay, maybe they try to defend 3 ringgit level lah. Okay, so yeah, maybe you can take note 3 ringgit is your immediate support. Okay, how about the Sendanai? Habis lah ini, game over lah. Previously, yeah, they do have a signal here. Okay, volume ada. Okay, bounce up. Okay, here unable to hold. Okay, means they just pump out. Okay, sometimes they will do like this. They pump out the price and then they slowly level by level sell you. Okay, because you see every level as a support ma. So maybe you will go in and buy lo. Okay, then they slowly to dispose distribute their tickets to you. Okay, this is maybe one of the way of distribution Okay, they spend some money to push the price first. Then you will see, the price is expensive already. Okay, they slowly discount for you lah. Then you think cheap. Then you go in buy lah. Okay, but for me the rebound is over and game is over already lah for this one. Okay, don't touch lah. Okay, don't touch. You can see they do quite many times lah. Every time rebound, sell down, rebound, sell down. So many scam already. This time also. Rebound, sell down. Okay, rebound, sell down. So yeah, if you see this one, keep on doing for so many times, I think better avoid lah. Maybe 10 times you only earn 1 time, 9 times you gonna con. Okay, so I feel not worth to waste our money in this kind of stocks lah. Okay, so yeah, that's all for tonight. Okay, so what we need to know by tomorrow is we need to see whether Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq able to close at least like this. Okay, like negative 100 points or positive. Okay, if they are able to close like this, I think our Bursa market still got a little bit hope. But if they continue to bear lah, okay, then susah a bit already. We need to wait until next week. Okay, with the news, just now the 84%, I see the market macam numb already, macam no reaction. Okay, but yeah, most importantly is a second half of US market lah. Okay, so we see how it's going, and yeah, thank you. If you yet to click a like, please click a like lah. So at least motivate us to keep on doing this content. Okay, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have a interactive live chat. So if you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And also, yeah, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code, screenshot and click to join. Okay, then anything I will try to update there lah. Okay, if nothing important, then I will just keep quiet over there. Okay, but if you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Okay, so that's all for tonight and see you next week. Thank you everyone.